Orissa Chief Minister pays tribute to Gandhi Vajpayee in Delhi. Chief Minister Majhi honors Gandhi Vajpayee, pledges Orissa's progress. In a significant visit to the national capital, Orissa Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi, along with his Deputy Chief Ministers Kanak Vardhan Singh Deo and Pravati Parida, paid homage to two of India's most revered leaders. The delegation began their day at Rajghat, where they honored Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Chief Minister Majhi expressed his dedication to Gandhi's principles and reaffirmed his commitment to propelling Orissa forward. The Chief Minister emphasized the importance of Gandhi's ideals in guiding his administration's policies and vision for the state's development. Following their visit to Rajghat, the team proceeded to Saidav Atal, the memorial dedicated to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Here, they paid their respects to the late leader, who is remembered for his impactful leadership and vision for India. Majhi highlighted Vajpayee's significant contributions to the nation and pledged to work toward realizing the vision of a Viksit Bharat.
आज राजघाट पर आते हुए जातीय जनक महात्मा गांधी का समाधि स्थल पर श्रद्धांजलि ज्ञापन किए और महात्मा गांधी का आदर्श और उनका विचारधारा लेते हुए हम मन में आया और हमारा उड़ीसा राज्य को आगे लेने के लिए संकल्प लिए। श्रद्धेय अटल जी, प्रबाद पुरुष भारत रत्न अटल जी का समाधि स्थल पर भी मैं आया, वहां भी मैंने श्रद्धांजलि ज्ञापन की और उनका जो राष्ट्रवादी विचारधारा था और भारतवर्ष को विश्व में गुरु बनाना उनके जो मन में था, आज उनके विचारधारा को लेते हुए मन में ऐसे आया कि मैं निश्चित रूप से अगला जो हमारा संकल्प है विकसित भारत, उसको पूरा करने के लिए मैं मेरा उड़ीसा प्रदेश स्तर पर मैं निश्चित रूप से नया उड़ीसा गठन करूंगा, जिसे विकसित भारत करने के लिए निश्चित रूप से हमको काम करने का बहुत ज्यादा प्रेरणा मिलेगा। इसलिए हमने श्रद्धांजलि पर मैंने वही आज स्मरण करते हुए मैं आज श्रद्धांजलि भी ज्ञापन किए और मेरा मन में हमने संकल्प भी लिए।
The visit symbolizes the Orissa government's dedication to honoring India's past leaders while looking forward to a future of growth and prosperity. Chief Minister Majhi's tribute to Gandhi and Vajpayee reflects his administration's resolve to draw inspiration from their legacies in crafting policies that drive Orissa's progress. Deputy Chief Minister Kanak Vardhan Singh Deo and Pravati Parida echoed these sentiments, affirming their commitment to the state's development under the guidance of its revered leaders, principles and visions. The homage paid by Orissa's top leaders serves as a reminder of the enduring impact of Gandhi and Vajpayee on India's political and social landscape. It also signals the Orissa government's determination to embody its ideal in its pursuit of prosperous and developed state. News Desk reports such the reality.
Looking for the ultimate summer adventure for your kids? Look no further because Madhur's Pride Pre-Primary School in Guwahati's Lasit Nagar presents Masti Unlimited 3.0 Summer Camp. From thrilling elephant rides to exciting themed days, every day is a new adventure. With storytelling, pool parties, drama and dream catchers, your child's imagination comes to life. Plus, delicious lunch and snacks provided daily. Join us from July 1st to 7th, 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Open to ages 2 to 14. Call 7086073333 or 9435653900 to enroll now. Give them a summer they will never forget.